Hello dear friends, today I have made this setup for you for making crystals of a chemical combination beta alanine and L-glutamine. I have here ethanol, some whiskey, some water in which I will dissolve these two chemicals. First, I will take some water. I will take one part of water in this syringe. Okay, and I'll pour it here. I have took one part of water and I'll take another part of water. I can just take some water and put equal quantities of water in all the three jars, all the three bowls, sorry. One, two, and I already had poured some water in this. I'll empty the water here. I'll take some ethanol now. You can see I am holding some ethanol. Okay, I'll put the ethanol here. I'll take some ethanol now in the syringe. Okay, now I'll pour ethanol in the bowl. One part of ethanol, one part of ethanol, and another part of ethanol here. Okay, I'll put the remaining ethanol inside the ethanol container. Okay, I'll take some whiskey now. Okay, I've took some whiskey. I'll keep the whiskey back and I'll take some quantity of whiskey and I will pour the whiskey now in the bowl. One part of whiskey here and another part of whiskey here. Okay, and I am done with making equal part of whiskey, water and ethanol. Now I'll take some chemical. I have this chemicals here. I'll take some beta alanine. You can see beta alanine powder here inside this sachet, and I'll take some beta alanine. I have took this much of beta alanine and I have poured it here. Okay, that's it. Take L-glutamine now. I will clean this so the powder do not mix up. I am using the same spoon to take all the three chemicals. Clean this a bit. Thank you. Okay, now I will take L-glutamine. I will take some more quantities of L-glutamine, more than the quantity which I took for beta alanine, and I pour it here. Put the chemical in this bowl. Okay, now we will take some glycine. This combination is actively being done by Yogendra sir and Rob Blanken sir. I have spoke to both of them. I have met in person with Yogendra Joshi at Pune and learned their experiences with this chemical combinations. I'll take some glycine now. I'll take a little glycine. Okay. I'll pour in this bowl. Okay. Now it's time to mix up the chemicals. Beta alanine mixes very quickly in this solution, but then L-glutamine, it doesn't mix much, and I will keep it the same way. If it doesn't even mix, it is fine. It's like this. L-glutamine, it's like milk. And about glycine, I think it will mix. It won't be a problem. But it still takes some time to mix glycine in this solution. Okay, it has not mixed much. Beta alanine has fully mixed. It is all dissolved in this solution. L-glutamine doesn't mix much, and glycine, it mixes, but it takes time. I'll try to heat it somewhat so that it mixes on the lamp. It may be dangerous, it may crack, but I am holding it at a distance of height so that it doesn't crack. Okay. But the glass is too thick, I guess, for heat to transfer. Or I can microwave it, but there's ethanol and whiskey in it, so I am afraid that it would catch fire. Okay, let it be. It has partially dissolved the glycine stuff. Now we'll make some crystals. I'll take a slide. Clean the slide first. And take this. What I use is earbuds. I use this earbuds to take samples 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So here is my slide. I'll take some beta alanine and spread it on the slide. Okay, so I'll spread it on the slide like this with an earbud. I'll take some L-glutamine. Maybe I'll use the other side of the spoon to take a little bit of L-glutamine. We'll touch it on the side. Okay, as Yogendra Joshi sir does it, he taught me, and I'll spread it Okay, I'll spread it now. Maybe you will take a bit of glycine too. Take a bit of glycine now. On other side, we'll mix some glycine. Okay, now we are ready to heat it. I'll heat it now so that the crystals trigger, and fortunately we will, if we are lucky, we will see some crystals today on my computer screen. Okay, I will heat it and let the solution liquid on the slide to evaporate. I'll wait for it to evaporate. Okay, there's still liquid on it, it's not all evaporated, but I can see some crystals forming there, and I'll keep on hitting it. I see some crystals forming. Let's see on the microscope slide if we are lucky to see the crystals. Okay, you can see the screen. Okay, I am getting some crystals here, but I am not getting that pattern which I always love to see. Okay, you can see here some crystals, some beautiful crystals of BALG. If we have heated it more, it could have turned out to give some beautiful structures. Can you see the screen? Computer screen, okay? So here it is, how I make this beautiful chemical BALG. It's like, it is hard to make a video to actually tell how this crystals of BALG and glycine should be made, but then I will try to make some good videos of it in future. Okay, now we will try it again. If we are lucky this time, maybe we can get some good crystals again. And I put this slide in water, I remove it and I just clean it with an handkerchief. That's it, what I do. And I blow off some dirt if it is there on the slide. Okay, slide seems fine. We will try it again. I'll take some beta alanine, spread it. Okay, this time I am not using this glycine. I am just taking L-glutamine, a drop of L-glutamine here. Okay, I'll spread it. Take some more beta alanine. Again spread it. Now I will heat it. Let's see if the things work out this time. I'm hitting it on the lamp, on the flame of the lamp, and I'm holding it just at the right distance or height from the flame, so it is not too cold or not too hot. Okay, so I have heated now. There seems to be some liquid left, and I am heating it again. Okay, the crystals have triggered, and I am heating it again. I will stop for a second, and then again I will heat it. Let's see. The crystal patterns this time are beautiful. Okay, I'll put the slide here now. Okay, so we have this beautiful crystals this time. We'll focus it. So you can see some beautiful crystals of BALG this time. They are developing. You can see it. So we were lucky this time to get some good stuff. Here also you can see some good crystals coming out. I'll rotate the retarder so there is change of color. Okay, fine. And this is the beauty of crystals. Look at the pattern evolving. Okay, so we were successful in making BALG combo crystals. Look at it, so beautiful. Thank you.